This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to convert from minutes to hours online. Now, I like to use this site right here at early.app. You can see the URL on the screen for this particular calculator. I will put that in the video description, so you can just click that link and wind up here. Now, this is a very clean site, super easy to use and free. I highly recommend bookmarking it wherever you are in the world, whether you're on your cell phone, mobile phone, tablet, desktop, doesn't matter, you can find it right here. So let's say you wanted to do 120 minutes. We literally put 120 there in the minute section, and we can see that's exactly 2 hours, and it will even give you the value in seconds as well, 7200 seconds if you're interested. Maybe it's a longer value, maybe you're looking at, you can literally put anything right here. 1764 minutes is 29.1 hours, so super handy. You can put decimal points in there as well if you want to be more specific. Maybe you want to put like a really large amount of minutes there. So we've got 1.9 million minutes is 32,762 hours 46, and you can see the value in seconds is obviously huge as well. So really helpful, this minutes to hours converter at early.app. It's not my site, but I like it because it's not littered with ads and stuff. You can see it's a nice clean page. A lot of these converters, they tend to be kind of littered with ads, confusing all the content. You can't really see what's going on, but this one's nice and clean, which is what we like. So hopefully you have found this video on how to convert from minutes to hours useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos.